In the food industry, safety isn't just important, it's essential. Whether you're working in catering, retail, or manufacturing, maintaining high food hygiene standards protects your customers, your business, and your career. At LearnQ, we offer a fully accredited and ROSPA-assured Level 2 food hygiene and safety course, meeting UK regulations and recognized by local authorities and employers across the country. This course is designed for anyone handling food, whether you're a chef in a busy kitchen working in food retail or part of a manufacturing team. And the best part? It's completely online. Study at your own pace, anytime, anywhere, and gain the knowledge you need to ensure food is prepared, stored, and served safely. With engaging lessons and easy-to-follow modules, you'll learn food safety laws and regulations, how to prevent foodborne illnesses, best practices for handling, storing, and preparing food, and cleaning and contamination control. Complete the course and receive your certificate instantly so you can get straight to work with confidence. Thousands of learners trust LearnQ to boost their careers. Now it's your turn. Sign up now and take the next step towards food safety excellence with LearnQ.